In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create parent accounts in Salesforce Lightning. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently set up parent accounts can really streamline your data management and strengthen the hierarchy within your system. Let's dive in and go through this step by step. To begin, let's navigate to the app launcher. This is your go-to spot for accessing all the various functionalities within Salesforce. From here, you'll want to select Accounts. This is where you manage your organization's account hierarchy and related business information. If you're not already familiar with it, think of the Accounts section as the central hub where all business-specific data gets organized and structured. Once you're in the Accounts section, you have two options. You can either create a new account or open an existing one that you wish to designate as the parent. If you decide to create a new account, simply click on the New button. This action will open the account details interface, which allows you to enter specific information. On the other hand, if you're working with an existing account, just navigate through your list of accounts and open the one you need. Now this is a key step, setting the parent account. In the designated parent account field, search for the existing account you want to designate as the parent. Salesforce Lightning, with its user-friendly interface, makes this part quite intuitive. Just enter the name of the existing account and it should pop up. Select it and you will have effectively set it as the parent for your current account. This feature is invaluable when working to create a structured hierarchy in your organization's client relationships. Once you've selected the parent account, it's time to fill out the remaining details of the account you're creating or modifying. This includes critical elements like the name, industry, and phone number. Accurate and detailed completion of these fields is essential as it ensures data integrity and enhances the utility of your account's database. These details will help your team easily access and assess necessary information whenever needed. With everything filled out and double checked, the final step is to click Save. By doing this, you save all the changes and make them live within your system. It's always good practice to double check your entries before you hit save, ensuring that all the information is correct and complete. And there you have it. You've successfully created or modified an account within Salesforce Lightning with your chosen parent account. Mastering this process will make managing and utilizing your organization's account data more effective and organized. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and guidance on using Salesforce. Happy Salesforce Lightning navigating.